Today we're at Riverview Park in Sebastian for an installation of a living shoreline. The module type that we chose to use is that oyster reef ball module. This is a really important project for this area because Riverview Park is experiencing shoreline erosion, and that's due to continual wave action from boats and storms and even the hurricane.
And the city of Sebastian needed some way to protect our shoreline and to help improve the Indian River Lagoon that we hold near and dear.
And so a living shoreline is an excellent habitat restoration technique which will allow the shoreline to minimize the amount of erosion it's experiencing, but also over time slowly accrete that shoreline.
Everyone in the community is really gung-ho about protecting our lagoon, and this seemed like the best path forward.
I've seen the shoreline disappearing, and this is going to keep the shoreline, and it's also going to give a habitat for oysters and migrating birds.
The second phase of the Riverview Habitat Restoration Project is the installation of a buffered shoreline. So that's going to be the planting of native plants along the land adjacent to Riverview Park's waterway. And what that's going to do is slow the nutrient runoff from entering into the lagoon, preventing some of the nutrients from getting into this precious waterway.
Hey, I only need 4 more.
This is an opportunity to give back to our local environment.
Every person doing a little thing in the environment is going to have a massive effect. Little baby steps really add up.
Everybody has a really important part about better understanding the problems of the lagoon and how they can be a part of that solution, because we're all connected, we're all polluters, and we therefore can all do something about that.